Hi, this is my Week 11 Soccer Team Management app. The goal of this task is to build an Android app that uses generics, iterators, and Lambda expressions. The app shows soccer teams, players, and matches, and it also supports searching and sorting. I organized the project into model, data, iterator, and UI packages. Now I will briefly explain the main idea and show the app running. I will start with main activity. This class controls the main screen of the app. Here I set up the tab layout, view pager 2, search view, and spanner. The app has 3 tabs: teams, players, and matches. When the user taps in the search bar or changes the sort option, I apply current controls to all tabs. So main activity connects the user interface with the filtering and sorting logic. Next, I show the model layer. I created a common interface called Soccer Entity. It gives a shared structure for team, player, and match. Then I created 3 model classes. Team stores information like country, language, and stadium. Player stores position, team, age, and number. Match stores home team, away team, score, competition, data, and venue. I also added validation in the constructors, so invalid data is rejected earlier. And this is the generic part of the project. Responsory is a generic class with a bounded type. T extended soccer entity. It supports adding items, getting all items, filter, and sorting. This allows me to reuse the same responsory logic for teams, players, and matches. Data provider is another generic class. It provides hard-coded simple data for the app by using suppliers. So this class is responsible for creating the essential list of teams, players, and matches. The task also requires a custom iterator and Lambda expressions. So I created a custom iterator interface and a team iterator class. Team iterator goes through a list of teams one by one using has next and next. For Lambda expressions, I use them in filter and sorting. For example, I filter items by search task, and I sort them by name in ascending or descending order. This shows that the app uses functional style logic in practical way. For the user interface, I use tab layout and fragments. There are 3 fragments, one for teams, one for players, and one for matches. Each fragment shows a recycler view list and a small summary at the top. In the main layout, I use a search view, a spanner, a tab layout, and a view pair 2. This makes the app simple, clear, and easy to use. Now I will run the app and show the result. Here we can see the 3 tabs: teams, players, and matches. Each tab displays a different type of soccer data. At the top, I can search by keywords. For example, when I type a team name, the list becomes shorter because the filter is applied. I can also change the sorting order. When I choose the descending order, the list changes accordingly. So the final app demonstrates generic repositors, custom iterations, Lambda Lambda-based fleeting and sorting, and a working Android interface. In summary, this project is an Android Circle team management app. It uses a common Circle entity interface, generic repositories, a generic data provider, a custom iterator, and Lambda expressions. It also includes a type-based Android interface with search and sorting. So this project combines object-oriented design, generics, and Android UI development in one complete solution. Thank you.